Hey theater kiddos, quick update today from Miss Chernovic. So you had a very long assignment for your Monday assignment online. If you were at home, hopefully you took the time to write down your vocabulary into a notebook. If you hadn't done that yet, then I'm going to go ahead and ask you to try and do that because the kids in class are only getting through to about slide 6 to 8. So we are very behind. So we will actually be continuing this lesson tomorrow into Wednesday. So if you finish today's assignment and you've got your vocabulary written down in a notebook, then go ahead and use today to get caught up on other parts of the class. I do have a lot of work that hasn't been turned in. Some lip sync's not done. Some of the vitamin to Vegemin assignments not done. So take your time to try and get things done, figure out how to get videos made if you can, and remember you can always send me emails and that sort of thing if you're not able to get it to me otherwise. Just make sure you're being specific in your subject title if you're sending me an email about what you're sending me. But yeah, I will let you guys know tomorrow if we are able to return back to the lesson or not. I am trying to remember to sign on to Zoom, so if all you want to do is sign on, say hello, ask me a question, we can do that also, but otherwise go ahead and try and do what you can. I'm also going to post a link to the slideshow from Tuesday's presentation because I noticed in the video parts of the slides were cut off. So you might have an easier time taking notes if you can go through the slideshow. So I will post that on Wednesday's assignments also. As for the attendance issue, I am figuring out how to get that all loaded and everything. To be honest, I forgot about it with everything to do with grades and whatnot. So I need to get that taken care of, and I will as soon as I can. For those of you that have been noticing that you are continually being marked absent on Schoology, that is because not every day do I have an actual assignment that has to be submitted, and so that's how they were counting attendance before. So that's on me, that's not on you guys for why you weren't getting counted. So I will try and get that all squared away by the end of today. If not by today, then by tomorrow. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, please send me a message. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys again soon.